Hi, welcome to Wizzy's Lounge Tutaure. So, I'm actually very, very, very excited today. Yeah, we are going outside Harare being here where I am. Our capital city is Harare, and we are going outside like a 4-hour drive out somewhere where it's spectacular. And I'm really, 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 really looking forward to this amazing, amazing moment of break, and just tranquility. I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Okay, not all my life, but for some weeks. I'm geared up, I'm ready, I am so ready. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, so we are on our way to Bvumba or Bvumba Mountains on the eastern highlands on the Zimbabwe-Mozambique border, which is 10 kilometers southeast of a town called Mutare. So we'll be staying at a cottage called Madrugada, and it is situated on a high Bvumba mountains with breathtaking views and the untouched beauty of an indigenous forest just steps away. Ooh, the cottage is just so beautiful. It is amazing. Wow. And this is how it looks like in the night. And in the morning, you're just greeted by this amazing view. Whoa, 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 whoa. And it is breathtaking. This is like a wonderful escape from the stresses of the city life for sure. No doubt about that. As you can see, I'm doing my morning walk and it's just a beautiful place. There's nothing but forest. It's just forest, green and green and green. It's beautiful. And I'm passing by a small river, but I can't see it because there's so much green. All I can hear is a lot of sound. Somewhere in there's water. What a place. What a beautiful place. Ah. Beautiful. Good morning. How are you? Is it okay I take you? I'm just filming. Sorry. We're going up that mountain over there. We're going hiking. I need a stick. And the hike up the mountain behind the cottage, it can be challenging, but they have rails, wooden rails to hold on to. It can and they have some steps, and it's kind of like steep to go up there. But when you get there, you forget everything, because you be like, when you're on top there, you just enjoy the air and the spectacular view. Absolutely, absolutely worth it. No doubt. Feels like I'm sitting on top of the world. Yeah, and they give you the sticks to use when you're walking up there. Some of us, we like balance. We like to be very, very safe. Yeah, I mean, everybody needs to be safe when you're climbing up the mountain, most definitely, most definitely. But it is just breathtaking. Amazing, amazing, amazing views. Wow. You can just go, like, when you're on top of the mountain, you can just like see like 360-degree the whole, you feel really good, where you are. It's just that amazing feeling, like, hey, you're on top of the world. In the forest, in the jungle, after the lovely mountain ride. What an amazing, beautiful. These smell good. Oh, yeah, we're on our way to the waterfall. Yeah, the waterfall, which is 30 minutes away from Madrugada, which is really cool because it's really nice to just walk around and stroll around and enjoy the area. It is just it's just like a rainforest, this area. And you go further down the waterfall. It is just refreshing to see how amazing. And you remember to take a stick because it's kind of steep down there, but there are steps and everything. And there is also a pool by the waterfall, where some people, they enjoy to swim, but I would not swim in the waterfall. No, I can just watch people do it. Now we are at the Chinamata Falls. They're called Chinamata Falls. Over there. Beautiful. Wow. This whole experience is amazing because it makes you just stop, breathe, and be thankful for life. And on that note, I'll read you a poem from my book, Monument Treasures. The poem is called Nature. Nature, how I adore you, a society where no one intrudes. Nature, how you don't hurry, leaving us with no worry. Nature, how your wisdom is never defeated by no master. Nature, how the summer heat climbs through the roots of your children we call trees, sending healing shadows of peace. Nature, how everything makes sense. You are all in one, a true reward of simplicity. This is Wizzy's Lounge Tea Taure. Keep loving, keep living, keep believing. Think like a creative entrepreneur. My time, my choice. Living to love.